Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to start this project off with this wooden house that I got at Hobby Lobby. The first thing I'm going to do is take my antique wax and I am going to stain the whole entire house. I didn't do the whole front, I just did the edges, but I did do the whole back and the roof and the sides and the bottom, just not the front piece because we're going to cover that with a piece of scrapbook paper. So as you can see, I just went around the edges of that. Once that is all stained, I had cut a piece of scrapbook paper that I liked to fit the middle of the house. And it's this cute little orange and yellow plaid paper. I'm just going to put some Mod Podge down. And then I'll just lay my scrapbook paper on there. And the way that I cut the scrapbook paper to size was I actually took a piece of printer paper. I laid it up there and then kind of made some lines at the top, just pressing my finger so I knew where the roof lines were, and then I was able to cut the printer paper to make myself a pattern basically to put the house. So once I had the scrapbook paper on, I'm just going to take my little sander and I'm going to sand off all of the excess. I did the sides and the bottom, making sure that I got it all off. And there wasn't a whole lot because the pattern that I made from the printer paper actually worked really well. And I didn't have a lot of excess, which is always a good thing. So once I had that all on there, I'm going to take some of my brown wax and go around the edges. So just take the antique wax and do just the edges of the paper. Kind of wanted it to have a little bit of a vintage vibe. And that part is all done. Next, I got these transfers. They're rub-on transfers from Timeless Designs, and they are so amazing. These are their new fall ones. I absolutely love them. So we're going to use these. I'm going to use this little scarecrow right here. So I'm going to cut him out, and he was like perfect for this house, like absolutely perfect. And I think these are just so beautiful and they're so easy to use. So I kind of figured out where I wanted him to go, and then I'm just going to peel it off and set him on there. And I let his hat go a little bit onto the roof line. I'm going to take this applicator that they have. It comes with it. And I'm just going to rub that right on. And these are so simple. Like, I've used some rubber band transfers where you really have to rub very hard to get the transfer to come off. These aren't like that, which is thankfully amazing. And then I just slowly start peeling it up as I go. And you want to make sure that you're going slow. So in case you didn't get a spot, you don't pull up some of the transfer. And that usually happens on some of the littler spots. But this one just peeled up so easily, and look how stinking cute that is. I love it. So as you can see, his hat goes a little bit on the top. Next, I'm going to cut out this Hello Fall, and I'm going to put that right next to him. I'm just cut off the excess, and that's going to go right there. So peel that up. Set that down, and again, just rub it on. And I have had a bit of a problem because I have no nails, and I didn't leave myself a lot of plastic to peel up the paper. So it kept like kind of falling back down. This was my own fault. And I had a bit of a moment trying to find the piece to peel up, and then I finally got it. And then again, just rubbing as I'm pulling up to make sure that I'm getting everything stuck down. And look at how amazing this is coming out. I absolutely love this. These designs are so cute, and I just love fall. So, look at it. So next I'm going to take these leaves that I got at Hobby Lobby. They come in a little box with a bunch of them. And I'm going to add those on because I wanted something a little extra. So I took one of the maroon leaves and I put it at the top above my Hello Fall. And then I took a little orange one and a yellow one and put those below the Hello Fall. And I thought these were just like the perfect final touch for this project. Look how amazing this turned out. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I enjoyed making it. The link for their transfers is in the comments. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.